we have to define our time domain and s domain variables, that is x and t, as symbolic variables using sims. So s for s domain and t for the time domain. So all we need to do is, for example, if we have an f of t which is defined by exponential of minus t, and you want to find the function in complex variable domain, that is s domain, all you need to do is to call the function Laplace and then call f of t, and if you run, you will see that in your command window that the f of x is just 1 over s plus 1. So if you want, for another example, find the Laplace of cos of t, that is cos t, so we'll see that f of s is s over x squared plus 1. So now let us do the other transform. So that is the inverse Laplace transform. So all you need to do, like if we have f of x, and for example we have 2 divided by, for example, x minus 4. So now we'll have f of t, and the inverse Laplace transform is defined as ilaplace of f of s now. So if I run, you can see my f of t is now 2 exponential of 40. So let me have another. So for example, if I have s squared plus 4, for example, if I run it, you can see my f of t is sine 2t. If you want to learn more on control systems using MATLAB, click the playlist on the screen. Thank you for watching.